G'day fans, Corey here with rebuild update number 2. Been pretty quiet on the socials lately, been flat out removing all the sound deadener off the floor of the car and generally cleaning it out. So as you can see, got all the sound deadener off, uncovered a few issues which I will cover shortly. All the junk we pulled out from underneath the dash, heater boxes, fan units, steering rack, steering columns, and the brake system from under the bonnet. As you've seen in the previous videos, the floor's pretty rusty in the boot here, which I thought I was going to be able to save. Cleaning out all the sound deadener, we uncovered a whole lot more rust through here. This stuff wasn't too bad. I thought I could save it. Then I discovered this stuff up here through the floor here. I thought, this is getting a bit serious. Through the transmission tunnel. Oh, not happy. Driver's side, straight through the chassis, through the floor into the chassis rails, through there. Not ideal. Okay, I'll cut all that stuff out of the other car and I'll just weld it all together. Then I was digging around underneath the bonnet the other day, and that's when the real trouble started, or where the bonnet would be if it was here. I'm not sure how well it's going to show up on the camera. That big old hole right there I'm putting my finger through, that's not supposed to be there. The chassis has rusted through. So she's a lightweight special, this one, but a little bit too lightweight for me. So what we're going to do, the plan is going to do a front cut. I'm going to take the front off this car, because everything from the strut housed forward on the other car is pretty well cooked. Put it on the existing car, but there is 2 other things we're going to use. We're going to use the roof, because I want to check out the top of the cage, make sure that's all hunky-dory, how it should be. So if I have a big one, I'm nice and safe. The other thing I'm going to use is the footrest. Can't go too far without a good footrest. So yeah, that's where we're at. Not as far progressed as I was hoping, but you get that on the big jobs. So we'll keep powering on and keep you in the loop. Cheers guys.